What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about AMP. Guys, we've got another update. As you can see, after a major increase in value since the start of 2023 all up until about a week ago, as you can see, it's taken a little step back, and in the last 24 hours it is down just about 0.5%, nothing major, and we can see that it's currently trading at 0.004906. so we're going to be going through where is it heading to next, what is its next target, is it going to pump anytime soon, is it going to drop, so on and so on, covering both buyers and sellers point of view. I'm looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can AMP go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just under 1% in the last 24 hours, and AMP has lost nearly 0.5%. Over the last hour, it has lost a percentage. Over the last week, just about 2%. Over the month, 55%. We had a major increase here on January the 16th and 17th, going up about, let's have a look here, about 90% up. It's taken a slight dip after that, and right now fluctuating at its current price range. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here the trading volume has also gone up just about 5%, nothing crazy, and it's currently $7 million in trading, which is a decent amount of money currently being traded on AMP. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, but most people are just holding on to it right now as it hasn't moved much value wise, so there's no point of buying or selling, so most people are just holding on to it, just like myself. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.004105. However, it is trading at much higher value here in red at 0.004897, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line both looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what I'm expecting from AMP over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting a slight dip in value on AMP. Nothing too crazy, nothing major. It is going to be a very minimal drop in value. Do expect green candles in between as well, basically performing like it was in the last 24 hours, but more or less heading towards a negative direction at a slight angle, nothing major. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit more bullish at this point. We've got the blue line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and so is the blue line as well. So the blue and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning a minimal increase in value is what is expected over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of this week, over the next week or so, I'm expecting AMP to go through a minimal increase in value, potentially heading up to about 0.0051 to 0.0052 is what I'm expecting towards the end of the week. However, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days, but it just means that the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, meaning the green days are going to overtake the red days, so an overall increase in value is what is expected from AMP over the coming week. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we're looking quite bullish. The blue and the orange line are once again heading towards a positive direction, looking positive. So again, an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from AMP over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about mid to late March 2023. I'm again expecting an overall increase in value, but at this point we should be heading towards the 1 cent target by late March on AMP. So hopefully we should be trading around the 1 cent target. But again, yes, we are going to have dips in between, we are going to have peaks, it's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So once again guys, so far so good for AMP over the next couple of weeks. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is and how little things can have a major impact on the value of not just AMP but the whole crypto market in general. And if there are any such things like this that can have a potential impact on the value of AMP or the crypto market in general, either in a positive or negative direction, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone. We've got a long way for us to hit the green resistance target, which is the blue line here, and we're gonna have to hit at least about 3 cents for us to hit that target, and we're not even at half a cent right now. So we're gonna have to go for a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from AMP anytime soon. Potentially towards the end of the year is when I'm expecting AMP to be heading into the green zone. But again, there's a lot of factors that are going to affect it, especially if AMP goes for a major partnership that can, you know, give it a major bull run. Then yes, we may be able to hit it in Q3 of 2023, but at the moment that's not expected. And yeah, I'm expecting us to head into the green zone towards the very end of the year or even early next year, depending on how the crypto market performs. If we do have another year like 2021, then yes, it can easily head into the green zone. However, if it's a year like last year 2022, where most months it was bearish and the whole year most cryptos did have a major drop, then yes, there's no way for us to hit the green zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on AMP, guys. What I want you guys to do now is comment down below your end of year target for AMP. What is the highest figure you guys predict AMP to hit by the end of the year? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments in my previous AMP videos and in my DMs as well, saying it's a pump and dump token, is, you know, it's not a crypto worth investing into, and others are saying it's going to hit 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, so on and so on. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So please guys, hit that subscribe button, because at the end of the day it's free to subscribe, so why not do it? Cuff with me, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.